Happy December. Brenna Bockham, Collective Wealth Planning. It's really hard to believe that it is the end of the year already. And I suspect I'm not the only one with a mailbox and a email box full of requests from charitable organizations that mean a lot. And if that describes you and you're considering gifting to some of those charitable organizations, I have a checklist for you. It's a really good one to run through to make sure that you're making your gift in the most tax efficient way, and also making sure that you're thinking through those other considerations about what type of gift to give. Should it be cash? Should it be appreciated stock? And all of your different choices around it. So check out that checklist. I will put a link to it down below. And as every month, I have something for you to read, watch, and listen to that I've either created or curated over the past couple of weeks. So the first one is to read. So since I last spoke to you, there has been a presidential election, and we have a new president-elect. And in the period of time leading up to this, there was a lot of financial planning strategy around the sunset of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. And now, with a second term of a Trump presidency, there are a lot of economists and Trump himself making promises about shifts to that sunset. So the provisions that we've been planning around for the past few years may be changed a bit. They may be extended. Some may be eliminated altogether. So there's a lot of people right now reading the tea leaves, myself included, and I did my best to put together a blog to help you understand, whether you're retired or you're still working, what are some of these potential changes on the horizon from a tax perspective, and what might you want to do now in terms of a potential action item. So hopefully you find that it's a robust blog. Hopefully you find it helpful no matter what age or stage you are at in life. So that's to read, to listen to. I was honored to be on another podcast over the past couple of weeks called Financial Advisors Want to Know podcast. And I talk a little bit about the importance of community and building and growing a business. And then to watch, certainly did not create or curate this really, but it is a great movie. It's movie season. It's cold out. So yeah, I've got the fire going here. We watched a couple of weeks ago the movie Thelma on Hulu, and this is the story of a 93-year-old woman who was scammed out of $10,000 and makes it her mission to get that money back. And while it's a comedy, it's also, I think, pretty accurate commentary on just how convincing some of these scams can be. All right, I will leave you to enjoying your last couple of weeks of 2024. As always, please don't hesitate to reach out if there's any way I can serve as a resource for you. Have a good December.